Today I am going to discuss about the topic of GSM architecture. What is GSM architecture? At the end of the session, you will be able to know about the architecture of the GSM. Mainly, this is the architecture of the GSM. So, what is GSM? GSM is a global system for a mobile. So, in this, we have three subsystems. One, the radio subsystem, it is known as RSS, and next one is the network and switching subsystem, NSS, and finally the operation subsystem, OSS. Coming to the radio subsystem, RSS, where this is the RSS. This upper part of the GSM is called RSS. In this, we have MS, means mobile station. From that, it will communicate through BTS. So, coming the radio subsystem RSS compromises all radio specific entities, that is the mobile station and the base station subsystem BSS. RSS consists of base station subsystem. What is base station subsystem? A GSM network comprises many BSSs, each controlled by a base station controller BSC. The base station controller. The base station controller provides all the control functions and physical links between MSC, where MSC is called mobile station controller. Base transceiver station, where base transceiver station handles the radio interface to the mobile station. It handles the mobile radio interface to the mobile station. And coming to the network switching subsystem, where it is called as NSS. What is the job of NSS in GSM architecture? So the NSS is responsible for performing call processing and subscriber related functions of the switching system, includes the following functional units. The first functional unit was HLR, where HLR is known as home location register. The HLR has a database that used for storage and management of subscription. The user subscription details all will stored in the database of HLR. So where it is called as home location register. And coming to the VLR. What is VLR? Visitor location register. In this, it is a dynamic real-time database that stores both permanent and temporary subscribers data, which is required for communication between the coverage area of MSC and VLR. So it is a changeable real-time database that stores both the permanent and temporary subscribers data. So which is required to communicate between the coverage area of MSC and VLR. And coming to the MSC, where it is known as Mobile Switching Center, it is used to perform the telephony switching functions of the system. Coming to the third part of the GSM architecture, where OSS, the operation subsystem. The OSS also handles the operation and maintenance of the entire network. It consists of operation and maintenance center, where it is known as OMC. A OMC monitors and control all the network's entities through the interface. So it is used to control and maintain the network entities which are used in the GSM. So it will control and maintain. So that's why it is called as OMC. And coming to the equipment identity register, where it is called as EIR. So it is a database that contains the information about the identity of mobile equipment, and that prevents calls from stolen, unauthorized, or defective mobile stations. So, EIR is a database which is used to store the information about the identity of mobile equipment, where identity of mobile equipment is known as IDE number, which is stored at the phone's back panel, inner part of the back panel. So by that number, if the phone is stolen by somebody else, or it will lost from others, we can easily trace out where our mobile is. That is, and coming to the AUC, where AUC is known as Authentication Center, a unit called AUC provides authentication and encryption parameters that verify the user's identity and ensures the confidentiality of the each call. So this is an authentication where in the name itself it is there, authentication. It provides the encryption parameters for the purpose of security of user's identity. So that will be put confidentiality of the user's calls and messages. This is the all over the architecture of GSM. So BSS is the section of traditional cellular telephone network, and RSS is standard for publishing regular updates to web-based content. Thank you.